Hey everyone, I'm Jason, and today's video, Golden Deals USA just sent me another package. So today's video, we're going to unbox it and test out this box. So this is another package from Golden Deals. Everything you see in here comes with the box. So let's rip this open. So it's a Wi-Fi booster. If you got weak Wi-Fi to your TV, this will definitely help you. They also give you a flash drive, 64 gigs, micro SD card, once again, 64 gigs, mini keyboard with backlit, .8K HDMI, looks like 6-footer. Their setup guide, Golden Deals USA. And this is the Max Series 2 Tanggula box. So let's push this all aside and let's open this up. So this is the Max Series 2, Android 11, 5 gig Wi-Fi, USB 3.0, and it's an 8K Ultra HD box. Nothing there, but we're going to open this up. So over here, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of ROM, 1000 gig Ethernet, and a voice control remote control. Looks like it comes with 2 remotes. So let's open this up. We're going to put this aside for now. It's like some of their other boxes. It's got like nicely packaged. It's got like velvet. User guide. User manual. If you guys are familiar with Tanggula, this is their standard remote control. There is no mic button on this one. Nothing else in there. So here's your standard plug. You can order this box for the plug for your country. HDMI. Looks like a USB charger. Antenna. And this is the second remote control. Just a user guide. There's the Bluetooth USB. Put this aside. So this is probably the remote we're going to be using today's video. So there's the mic button, home, all your standard buttons here. Then you got a full keyboard in the back. Okay, let's check out the box. So Tanggula Ellte. Nice front looking. By the way, it's all metal. Fully metal. Top, bottom, sides. Here we got a micro SD slot. The USB 3.0. USB 2.0. The LAN. HDMI. Optical, and your DC plug and your antenna. vent holes. You got a lot of vent holes at the bottom as well. It's actually a pretty solid box. It's got some weight to it. So let's hook this up and test it out. Okay, so the box is booting up for the first time. Tanggula Ellte. Max Series 2. And it looks like it comes already set up for you. So this box, or at least this model, you take it out of the box, plug it in, and it looks like it's ready to go. But let's just make sure. Let's go to Tang TV. So we got the Tanggula symbol. And yes, it goes right to it. So this box is really plug and play. So there's no setup involved. Like the other models, you have to go into the App Store and actually download the app. This one already comes pre-loaded. Just gonna wait for this to finish downloading. There we go. Just wanna go check the settings. Just wanna make sure. Let's see if this is set up too. No, this is not. So we gotta set this up. So we need it on TV mode. There we go. Exit out of here. Exit out of here. So it is preloaded for you. So it comes with the Tanggula app, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 backup apps. So if you guys are looking for a box that already comes preloaded, literally just plug it in and off you go. That's it. There's nothing to this box. I don't know why they don't do this to all their boxes. Okay, let's go to settings, device preferences. Like always, let's go to locations. Okay, mine is off. If yours is on, just click on it and just go to off. This way your box is a little bit more secure. So let's exit out of here. All right, so I got the Bluetooth remote with the mic. Let's test it. Open. Okay, so I pressed the button and I got this message. So let's go to settings. So we got to check this here. Press OK. So now it's on. There it is. Weather for today. Okay, so that works. Exit out of here. Now let's see if it opens up an app. YouTube. There we go. It works. Okay, so it does say it's an 8K box, so let's test it out. 4K. There we go. Let's try the Amazon rainforest. Let's switch to 4K. There we go. Really nice picture. No buffering. I'm not too surprised because I've really never had any issues with the Tanggula boxes playing anything 4K. There we go. It's a really nice picture. Okay. Exit out of here. So this all comes preloaded with the box. So from all the boxes I have ever tested, this is probably the easiest setup. I didn't have to do anything. So guys, if you're interested in this box, I will have a link in the description. This package deal here, this is only available from Golden Deals USA. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. You want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.